Hey everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a real-time AI translation bridge using powerful features by Telnyx. The idea is simple. Two people on the same call speaking different languages and each other hears in their own language in real time. No interpreter, no separate app, no passing the phone back and forth. I built a web demo that shows the translation engine working in the browser. And underneath it's the same code that powers the phone call version. It's almost like 150 lines of Python code and one Flash file. I'll walk you through what we're using, how it works, and a few real-world cases where this actually matters. So, what features we are using? We are using Telnyx AI Inference, that is an OpenAI compatible chat completions endpoint. We send the text to translate a source language and a target language. The model returns the translation. For this, we are using a Telnyx hosted multilingual model, same API key as the rest of the Telnyx, no separate AI vendor, and language supports are vast like English, Spanish, French, German, Italian, etc. So what do you need from the portal? As you can see on my screen, the only thing that you need from the portal is the API key, which you can get from clicking on top right corner here under your name and then API keys, and then create a new one or use the one that you already have if you have saved it somewhere. So before I show you the web UI, let's talk about the use cases. Why is it useful? Uh, Let's assume there's a multilingual customer support. Today, global companies need agents who speak every customer language, Spanish, French, Japanese, Arabic, etc. With this bridge, one English-speaking agent takes call from all of them. Translation is transparent to both sides. The agent hears English, the customer hears their native language on the same call. Another example could be telehealth across language barriers. A patient calls in a clinic, the patient speaks Spanish, and the doctor speaks English. It could be very useful here. One more example could be international business and chain and supply chain. A US manufacturer sourcing parts from Japan, Mexico, and Germany. Every supplier call today requires a bilingual, intermediary, or email-only communication, which loses tone and nuisance. This could be very useful here as well. Uh, to get you quick started, I have written a code for this demo, so you can find the code in a repository called Telnyx Code Examples, and under the folder AI Real-Time Translation Bridge Python and the demo folder, just follow the instructions there. Tell your agent or AI bot to follow the instructions, and you can create the app that I created using the same code very easily. So you can see the web UI that I created. So how does it work? So the browser shows two chat panels, caller A on the left, caller B on the right, with a language selector above each and a pipeline visualization in the middle. Speech, speech to text, AI translate, and text to speech. You type a message as a caller in English, hit send, the pipeline lights up in the sequence, speech, transcription, AI translation, and then text to speech. Caller B's panel show the translation in their language. Then you type as caller B in their language, hit send, and caller A gets the English translation. Bidirectional, same loop both ways. The point here to note is that it's not bounded to just one language. As you can see, there are a lot of languages for both caller A and caller B. Okay, so I'm going to type hello, how are you today as a caller A. How are you today? And click send. And the caller B receives it in Spanish because we have selected Spanish on the top. Now I'm going to type something in Spanish as a reply as caller B and send English and translate and get it translated into English. See, it's get translated in English saying I'm very well, thank you, and you. So they both are speaking their native languages without even knowing that there is something in the between that's helping them. Now let me switch from Spanish to, let's say, Japanese. And I'm going to type back something here. For example, I'm going to type, I would like to book a hotel for 3 nights and click send. And as you can see that it translated it into a Japanese because we selected Japanese from the dropdown. So there it is. As you can see, the translation is working perfectly. Go ahead, try this out, use a demo I will link in the description box, and put your comments if you have any questions. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.